Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today I am going to show you that how can you add more than one names in your Google Scholar profile. So as you can see, this is let's say my uh, first kind of name Ravindra G Bhardwaj, and the middle name is shortened to the the first letter. So let's say you want whenever you're publishing any article, it may happen that you are giving some different name compared to the one that you have given to, let's say, your first article. So how to get all these names onto your Google profile? So let's do this. So if you open your Google Scholar profile, it will look like this. This is for mine. So let's say I'm going for the from the first step. If you go to Google Scholar, you can see on the right, you can see your right on the right side of profile icon or ID. Now go to My Profile. Click on this My Profile button, and that will take you to your profile where you can see all the details of your about of your profile. Now click on this edit icon in front of your name. Click on that, and it will edit your profile. Over here you can see that you can add up to three different names on your profile. So I have added one, which is Ravindra Giriraj Bhardwaj. I have just provided the full form of the G letter. Second name I can give, which is Ravindra Bhardwaj, without providing the middle name. And I also have third name, which is Bhardwaj Ravindra Giriraj. In sometimes I have provided my surname first, then my name and the middle name. So these are three different kinds of name that I have provided to the articles. So in this way you can provide it. You can provide up to three different names of your different names that you have used while publishing the paper. So in this way, you can provide these three different names, more than one different names, and click on save. And now if you go other names, you can see that three different names is coming under my profile along with the first name that I provided. So in this way, you can change or you can add different names to your Google Scholar profile. So I hope this video will helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Advice.